everyone, what is the best face pack you can ever make for yourselves at home? Welcome to this video that showcases how to make a face pack from your kitchen ingredients that gives you the glow, that gives you the detoxed, clean sensation, that feeling on your face. My name is Vasundhara Talware. So let's look at what all do you need for the face pack. Number one is gram flour. This is the chane ka atta, as it's called in Hindi, that you can get either packed in a supermarket or you can grind and make one for yourself. The second ingredient that you need is the turmeric powder. The third ingredient that you need is the lemon. And you need a lime squeezer and a bowl to mix all of this in. Take the gram flour, a tablespoon of gram flour, a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and squeeze the lemon juice into it. Let the goodness of the lime flow into your mixture. Alright, and mix it well with your spoon. Amazing. So your mixture becomes this consistency, so that it's easy for you to lather your face with the same. Now I have a mirror right here that I'm going to look into and put this mixture on my face. I'm going to clean up the spoon. Yeah, I don't like to waste. And put it on my face. Let me see. Look at you guys and do this. I don't need a mirror. I can look right there and do this. Yeah. Put it under your eyes, over your eyebrows, over your lids. Don't leave out any space on your face. Take your hair back, put it around, just covering the beginning of your ear, over your earlobe, and then on the other side, over your eyebrows, under your eyes, over your eyelid, and over your nose, below, over your upper lips, then over your chin, you see, have I covered everything? Yep. And then I go down to my neck. Alright, and wait for it to dry completely. It takes about 15 to 20 minutes to dry. Make sure that you wait until then and not wash it off while it's still wet. Why? Because this, as it dries, takes out all the toxins from your skin. It sucks everything and makes it nice and clean and smooth. I hope you enjoyed my homemade face pack that I lather myself as I shower myself with loads of love almost every day. And what do I do with the rest of it? I do not throw it away. I use it to wash my hands. That's it. Let's live a chemical-free life. Let's live in tune with nature. Let's live in abundance. Let's live in love. Happy, happy self-love. Stay blessed. If you liked watching this video, like. Let me know in the comments below and share how you like this. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to click on the bell icon so that every time I post my new video, you are intimated. Thank you so much once again, and I love you very, very much. Mwah, mwah, mwah.